we're going to work on getting connected to the internet. So just step touch to the side. Step, touch, step, touch. Nice. And we're going to work with these cables that have 8 wires inside. Now double it up. Step together, step, touch. Step together, step, touch. Nice. These Ethernet cables, you probably haven't seen them in a while because everything is Wi-Fi now. Salsa shuffle to the right. Shuffle, 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 and lift that cable. Lift, lift, lift. Other way. Shuffle, 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 and lift, 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 lift. Now march in place. March, swing those arms. Make that cord into a circle. And circle the arms. Circle! And lift it up. Circle the arms like the whole World Wide Web. And lift. Again. Circle the arms. And lift. Now, plug, plug, plug. Okay. Touch, step, touch, step, touch, step. Hold those arms out in front. Strong cable that they are. Good. Step, touch, step, touch. Get ready to salsa shuffle. Shuffle, 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 and lift, 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 lift. Other way. Shuffle, 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 and lift, lift, lift. Now march in place. Really swing those arms. Coil that cord into a circle. Here we go. Circle the arms. And lift. Circle the arms. And lift. Last one. Circle the arms. And lift. Now plug, plug, plug. Now wrap that cord around you and just melt. Melt down and melt. Become one with this piece of technology. Really feel it around you. All right, here we go. Circle the arms and lift. The whole World Wide Web. And lift. Again, circle those arms. And lift. Now plug, plug, plug. Again, circle those arms. And lift. The whole World Wide Web. And lift. Again, whole web. And lift. Now plug, plug, plug. Keep connecting. Plug, plug, plug. Nice. All right, step touch it out. Good. Do you know what goes through these cables? It's not just huge chunks of data streaming through, it's packets. Tiny little containers of information containing 1,000 bytes. So we're going to become tiny packets. Cross one leg over the other and rock. Yeah. Get those shoulders into it. DNS. ISP.
Who is it that we see?
Other leg. DNS means domain name system. The internet's equivalent of a phone book. Other leg. Yes. Become small, like tiny little packets that transfer your data and emails. Now tango. And turn. Really, go for it. And turn. Like you're directing towards the server. Turn. Yes. Now again, tiny packet. Hold that cord out in front of you. Really become small, little containers of information. ISP.
Who is it that we see?
Other leg. Yes. An ISP, an internet service provider. Other leg. It's a company that provides you with internet access like Comcast or AT&T. All right, get ready to tango. Go. Move those feet to the rhythm. Turn. Really aim for your destination. And turn. Yes. And turn. Now just spin that cord in the middle like it's a loading icon.
A simple reference. All systems by.
Now twirl it to the right. ISP.
Who is it that we see?
Twirl to the left. Sometimes those packets take so long to come through. Yes. All right, now we're going to talk about speed. This is very important on the internet. So imagine that you're standing in the middle of a clock and tap your foot to 12, to 3, to 6, and 9. Again, go 12, tap 3, tap 6, tap 9. Other foot taps 12, 3, 6, and 9. Again, taps 12, tap 3, tap 6, tap 9. Now shake that head. There's too many emails. And punch, 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 punch. Roll it out. Again, shake that head. There's too many. Just too many emails. Punch, 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 and roll it out. Now tap 12, tap 3, tap 6, tap 9. Book goes 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. Other foot 12, 3, tap 6, tap 9. Again, tap 12, tap 3, tap 6, tap 9. Now we're gonna walk, 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 and kick. Other way, walk, 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 and kick. Walk, 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 and kick. Walk, 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 and kick. Hand on head, too many emails. And punch, 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 punch. Roll it out. Again, there's too many emails. Really swing that head. And punch, 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 punch. Roll it out. Now we're going to do a new step. Step right out, left out. Right foot in, left foot in. Again, right foot out, left foot out. Right foot in, left foot in. Now fast. Out, out, in, out, out, in. Good. Keep it up. Out, out, in, out, out, in. Now we're going to stomp the foot. Stomp, 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 stomp. Get low. And stomp, 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 stomp. Nice. Swing that head. Too many emails. And punch, 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 punch. Roll it out. Again, swing that head. Too many emails. And punch, 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 punch. Roll it out. Again, we're swinging that head. Too many emails. And punch, 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 punch. Roll it out. Last one. Swing that head. Really get it out. And punch, 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 punch. Roll it out. Time. Okay, we're going to keep talking about speed and specifically about net neutrality, the principle that internet service providers like Comcast should treat all internet data the same. So that means that Amazon and Facebook can't pay to make their pages load faster than their competitors. Drape that cord around your neck and find a bounce. 2, 3, 4. Find a float. Really slow. And a bounce. 2, 3, 4. And a slow float. Again, a quick bounce. 2, 3, 4. And a float.
I add you to my favorite folder.
Couple more. Bounce.
Connect
2,
you to my
3, 4.
cyberstation.
And a float. 2,
Do you want
3,
to
4.
disconnect?
Now a box step. Back,
Binary
back,
systems
forward,
is the
and
future.
cross. Really slow.
I log on to the
Good.
world.
Step. Back.
This is
Back.
communication.
Forward and cross.
This is
Back. Back.
internet.
Now fast. Back. 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 Yes. Go for it. Step. Back. Back. Forward. Cross. Back. Back. Forward. This is how fast rich data can go without net neutrality. Fast. 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 Good. Now bounce. 3, 4, and float. 2, 3, 4. Keep that going.
I add you to my favorite
I wish I could tell you that there were net neutrality rules in place right now, but there aren't. Bounce. California tried to sign some into law. Float. But the Trump administration sued us. Bounce. 2, 3, 4. Float.
This is communication.
And bounce.
Internet.
And float. Now we're gonna run in place. Run, 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 run. You are fast data. You can pay to outspeed your competitors. Yes, get fast. Now just bounce. Bounce. 3. And bounce. Now float really slow, like you are the poor data moving through cyberspace. Bounce. You're so fast. Yes. And bounce. Now float. You are the slow data. Now freestyle slow movements with that chord. Please feel what it's like to not be able to load properly like your competitors. Does it feel fair? Does it feel good? Does it feel right? Move that cord around with your body. Yes. Now run in place. Run. Run. Pull that cord out. Run. Yes. Jog. Move your body. Lift that cord up to the sky. Keep running. Try to envision a kind of internet you can believe in, one where all websites load at the same speed and no one can pay to be faster. Keep jogging. Move that cord down and up. Move it down, lift it up, move it down, and lift it up. Think about that possible future internet. Nice work. Let's step, touch it out. Step, touch, good. This is our last song before cool down, and it's really about protest. And since we're protesting something digital, let's use zeros and ones. Now hold your chord vertically. This is your 1. Now make a circle. This is your 0. Good. Let's give it a try. Ready? Here we go. 0, 1, step, touch, step, touch. 0, 1, step, touch, step, touch. 0, 1, step, touch, step, touch. 0, 1, step, touch. Now let's punch, punch, hoop, hoop, punch, punch. Get that outrage out. Hoop, hoop, punch, punch, hoop, hoop. Now let's just step, touch it out. Good. Now we're going to spell out the most basic word of protest. No. In binary through ASCII encoding. Ready? Ready? Here we go. Goes 0, 1, step, touch, 1, 0, step, touch, 1, 1, step, touch, 1, 0, step, touch. Good. That was the end. Let's punch it out. Punch, punch, hoop, hoop, punch, punch. Punch, punch, hoop, hoop, punch, punch, hoop, hoop. Step, touch it out. All right, we still have the O. So let's give that a try. Ready, set, here we go. It goes 0, 1, step, touch, 1, 0, step, touch, 1, 1, step, touch, 1, 1. Step, touch, and that was the O. Good. Let's punch it out. Punch, punch, hoop, hoop, punch, punch, hoop, hoop, punch, punch, hoop, hoop, punch, punch. 2 more, punch, punch. Now let's roll the hands and lift them. Roll the hands and lift them. Roll the hands and lift them. Roll the hands and lift. Now we move with it and lift, roll and lift, roll and lift, roll and lift. Good. Now take that cord and lunge that cable apart like you could tear it. Pull and pull. Pull and lunge. Pull and lunge. Again, pull and lunge. Really try to rip it apart. Pull and pull. Nice work. All right, let's do just a mini cool down here. Lift that cord above your head, stretch it tall, and bend over to the side. And reach, 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 and reach. Come back to center, other way. You reach, reach, reach. Back to center. Inhale and exhale. Now put one arm behind your head and grab that cord behind your back with the other. And look up. And lift your gaze up to where you think the cloud might be. Yes. Reach your gaze up, reach your arm. And release. Switch those arms. Other one on top, the other one behind the back. And again, lift your gaze to where you think the cloud exists. And reach it up. Feel that stretch along your arm. Good. And release. Now take that cord and wrap it around your foot. And reach for your foot with your back. You should feel a stretch down your calf. Yes. And you can do little pulses. That can feel really nice. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Loop that around the other foot and reach for it with little pulses. 8, 7, 6. You got it. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now lift that cord up. Inhale. Exhale. Lift it up. Inhale and exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Nice work.
Digital love, computer love, digital love.